In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FormSpark in Framer. First, open your Framer project and head to the page where you want your form to live. With the canvas in view, open the Insert menu. From there, browse to the Form section and add a form component to the canvas. You can drop in a simple email capture or a more complete form. Either works. Once it's on the page, make sure the form is selected so you can configure it in the right-hand Properties panel. Let's tour those settings so everything looks and behaves the way you expect. Expand interactions to see how this form will behave when someone types, focuses, or submits. Open position and size. To confirm the form fits your layout. This is where you fine-tune alignment, width, and spacing so it blends into your design. Peek into effects for things like shadows, and overlays for elements that might appear on top, such as a confirmation layer. In Cursor, choose how the pointer behaves over inputs and buttons. In Styles, review typography, colors, borders, and corners so the form matches your brand. And in Transforms, you can prepare subtle motion for hover or focus states to make the form feel responsive. Now, connect it to FormSpark. In the Form settings, find the FormSpark section and click into the ID field. Paste your FormSpark form ID here so submissions route correctly. If you need to look it up or create one, use the Open Link option provided in the panel. This takes you straight to your FormSpark dashboard to copy the ID. With the ID in place, return to the Interactions panel and add the behaviors you want on Submit. This is where you can define what happens on success or error, like showing a confirmation message, revealing an overlay, or resetting the fields. Keep it clear and helpful so users know their submission went through. Time to test. In the preview, click the email field, enter a test address, and press the Submit button. Watch for the confirmation state you set up and check your FormSpark dashboard to verify the submission arrived. If something doesn't look right, adjust size, styles, or interactions until it feels polished. When you're happy with the result, publish your site so the changes go live. After publishing, run one more test from the live page to confirm everything is working end-to-end. And that's it. You've added FormSpark in Framer, styled it to match your design, wired up